Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Okay, this video I will show you about the rules of differentiation. My previous video I already provide you what is the definition of differentiation and how to use the first principle of differentiation. Okay, so this video I'm gonna show you the rules of differentiation. Hopefully, at the end of this video, you should be able to use an appropriate rules of differentiation to solve the derivative problems. Enjoy and let's begin. At the end of this video, I hope that you should be able to derive the functions by using an appropriate rule of differentiation. Let's take a look this rule first. Okay, first rule is constant rule. For the constant rule, the function is consists of the function that there is no variables. Okay, without any variables. So therefore, when we differentiate the function, then we will have 0. For the identity rule, the function that consists of only variable x and the power of x is 1 and also the coefficient of this x is 1. So therefore, when we differentiate the function, we will have 1 only. Okay. For the general power rule, the function is consists of x to the power of n. Okay, when we differentiate the function, so this power n we need to multiply with any coefficient, and the power we need to minus 1. So the power will be reducing. Okay, for the constant multiple rule, the function is consists of any coefficient and multiply with the function, and if we differentiate the function, the constant or the coefficient will be remain, and we need to differentiate the function with respect to x. Alright, let's derive this function. Okay, so we have y equal to 2 over 5x. Okay, we can split this function into 2 over 5 times 1 over x. Okay, then we can change this index. Okay, 2 over 5x to the power of negative 1. Now we can simply differentiate y with respect to x. Okay, so the power of negative 1 we can multiply with the 2 over 5 here. So we have negative 2 over 5. And then x to the power of negative 1, we need to minus 1 because this is a derivative. So now we have negative 2 over 5x to the power of negative 2. And we can simplify the final answer. Okay, so we have negative 2 over 5x to the power of 2. So this is the final answer. Alright, let's take a look at the second question. So we have y equal to square root of x. Again, we need to change the index of x. So therefore, x will be x to the power of 1 over 2. So now, we can simply differentiate the function of y with respect to x. So the power of 1 over 2 here, we can multiply with 1. Okay, this is the invisible 1. So we have 1 over 2x to the power of, negative 1 over 2 minus 1. So we have negative 1 over 2. Okay, you can make up your final answer into 1 over 2 square root of x. Okay, since x, this is x to the power of negative 1 over 2. When we change the index, so now we have square root of x, okay, as the denominator part. Alright, for the next example, we have y equal to 7x to the power of 2 over 7. Okay, so this is very easy. You can simply differentiate y with respect to x. Okay, the power of 2 over 7 here, we need to multiply with the coefficient. So 7 will multiply with 2 over 7. And x, 2 over 7 minus 1. So we have negative 5 over 7. So we can simplify the form. Therefore, we have 2x to the power of negative 5 over 7. And you can make up your final answer. Then you can have the final answer as 2 over x to the power of 5 over 7. Alright. So the last example, I don't want to show you how to get the final answer. Okay, so the last example you can try by your own self.